Hey there, welcome back to Digital Era. In today's video, I'm going to show you a detailed step-by-step guide on how to delete an entire conversation in Messenger. Whether you're decluttering your chats or want to clean up your message history, this guide has got you covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app. Locate and tap the Messenger app on your device to open it. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Then, find the conversation. Scroll through your chat list to find the conversation you want to delete. Alternatively, use the search bar at the top to type in the contact's name and locate the chat. Now, access the conversation options. Press and hold the chat you want to delete. A menu will pop up. After the menu pops up, scroll down to the bottom of the menu, where you will find the delete option. Tap on it to proceed with deleting the item. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the conversation. Tap or click delete to permanently remove the chat. Note, this action cannot be undone. Then verify the chat is deleted. If you still see the chat, repeat the steps to ensure it's fully deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a conversation on Messenger. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.